Hi guys, Beth here. So today I am updating you on my Hollow Out by Halloween. This is a project pan created by Little Miss Nat. It started on May 15th and it goes till October 31st. So if you're interested in joining, please do so. Just let me or Little Miss Nat, let any of us know, and we will let her know so that way she could put you on the list. So there are, in this project, she had 13 prompts, and so 13 products to go with the 13 prompts. And let's see, what else? Oh, the updates are on the 13th, and I'm late. So sorry, Nat, and everybody else that's doing this. I have been so busy with work and just really tired. So today is the 16th and I'm just getting around to it. I think today's the 15th or the 16th, I can't remember, but besides the point, let's get into this. The first item is a trick-or-treat item. So I had chosen this Kokie Supernova eyeshadow, and it's like a liquid eyeshadow that's duochrome. I think it's duochrome, or trichrome. It has like a few different colors in it. It has like a purple, and then it kind of looks, does it look blue? Or yeah, it has like a little bit of blue, and then in the light it kind of turns yellow. Oh, you know, there's a trick I saw someone do the other day, and it was to hold a mirror up to it to see if that helps. I don't know if that, there's a mirror and there's the product. I don't know if that makes a difference, but anyway, I used that only 2 times in the last month, so I need to get working on it. My goal is 10 uses on it. The next item is a Halloween from a different culture. Now, I had seen Little Miss Nat do her example video of products, and I think she had pulled out Ionie eyelashes. I know she is working on Ionie eyelashes right now in the project. So I also, because I couldn't think of anything, I also chose Ionie eyelashes. I just think they're so cute, and they have the little skeletons on it for like Halloween or Dia de los Muertos. So these lashes are the faux mink lashes. Now, Ionie eyelashes are cruelty-free, 100% handmade here in California, or they're located here in California. Oh, but they were made in the PROC. So I guess that's in China. And this is in the Isabella ones. I actually wore them, and I don't know where I put them. I stuck them on something thinking, okay, I'll go back and I'll get them later, and I forgot where I stuck them. So in replace of those, I'm just gonna put in some my AOA eyelashes. I have 1 pair left, and I thought it would be a good idea to use them up so I could use other eyelashes in my collection. So I'm gonna just put these in replace of those eyelashes I misplaced. The next item is, or the next prompt was Halloween party time. And for this, I chose this Kissing a Frog blush because it was the Masquerade collection of ColourPop and Disney princesses. I just figured, well, a masquerade ball is a party, so I thought this would be a good one. And this is what it looks like in the pan. Now, I used it only 2 times as well. It's just a pretty mauve kind of pink blush, but yeah, I'm gonna try to use it more. It's just I'm trying to be competitive with the palette challenge me, Nat and Didi are doing, so I haven't been reaching for singles that much, but I will try to use this a little bit more this month. My goal for this one is 10 uses. Okay, so there's that. Let's see. Okay, the next item is vampires, or the prompt is vampires, zombies, and the undead. And my goal for this is 10 uses. It's another blush, and it is from my Pride and Prejudice zombie palette, and it has the word zombie in the palette. It has since been depotted and I have the blush right here. It is a beautiful like peachy orange, but it is so old and it is so powdery. It's by BH Cosmetics when they collaborated with the, or they just did a palette for the movie. So I have it here in this AOA magnetic palette, and for that one I have not used it one time, so I need to get a move on it and try to use that some this month. The next item is from the pumpkin patch, and that was a face mask. I will insert a picture here if I have one. It's already in my empties bag, so I'm just gonna leave it there because the essence is probably leaked out and it's probably a hot mess, so I'm gonna leave it over there. But that was an easy one because it was just a face mask, but it was really nice. I did enjoy it, and I love the scent of pumpkin and coffee, so it was perfect. It was nice and relaxing for me. The next prompt is a villain, and for this I chose Maleficent, and this is another ColourPop item. It's the Villains collection, their Luxe lipstick, and this is the shade here. It is gorgeous, you guys. I've used it so far 3 times this month, and I just have a 10 use goal on it. The next prompt is from the kitchen. So for the prompt from the kitchen, I chose a lip oil because you find oil in the kitchen, and this is by Tarte. I think it's like their sister brand. It's like sugar or something like that. So this is a nice tinted lip oil, and it's like a tint of red. It's very pretty. I've only used it once. I used it like at the beginning of the month. Yeah, it has like a sweet scent to it. It smells really good, and I don't remember anything bad about it. And I have a lip product on right now, so I'm not gonna put it on, but I'm gonna need to use that. It's just that I have this lip gloss so I'm trying to use up, and it's more like a lip oil, and I'm so close to finishing it. It's just like this little itty bitty sample, but it's taking me forever. So once that's done, I'll be able to get some more use on this. And I've used this 2 times. For number 8, the prompt was black cats, bats, and spiders. For that, I chose this Milk Makeup mascara. Now, I don't know. I don't like it, you guys. I don't know what the reviews are on it. I haven't looked them up. I'll look them up probably after this video. But it makes my eyelashes so tiny and short. And then I had like eyeshadow, you can see it right here on my eyelash, and it didn't even cover that up. So it's really like a thick formula. It doesn't give your lashes any kind of lengthening. I don't see any volume. I don't even see my lashes honestly with this. It's a waterproof mascara. I think I got it in a set, so I did get it at a discounted price. But there's that. And then the next item was number 9, and it's Fur Babies. And for this one, I haven't used it either. I just have so many projects going on right now. It is a eyeshadow in the shade Meow, and this is a Kat Von D Pastel Goth palette. I haven't used it once. I really do need to use it. Yeah, I haven't used it one time, but yeah, I plan to, hopefully soon. The next item is Full Moons and Werewolves. So for Full Moons, I pulled a Maddie MUA palette, and it's a blush palette. This is the blush Prism palette by Lunar Beauty, and I had chosen Stargaze. Yeah, Stargaze, which is the shade right here. It's just like this really pretty pinky, oops, my lipstick smudge, blush. I think that's gorgeous, and I haven't used it once at all either. So there's that. And then for number 11, Nightmare Before Christmas, it's a eyeshadow. I picked Witchy, and I haven't used it either. This was in my project pan. Sorry about all the background. There we go. You can tell I haven't used it once. I want to hit pan on it. I think that's my goal. Yeah, it's to hit pan because it already has a dip. So and then I have a Glam Glow mask for masks, which is prompt number 12, and I did use this once. I do like it. Not much came out of my pores like I mentioned last time. Maybe this is my May And then June. No, yeah, I used it one time and I haven't seen, you know, it's still going. I need to use it more often. Maybe I'll use it tonight or tomorrow. I kind of just use these like clarifying masks when I feel like, you know, I might get a breakout or I have really clogged pores. Right now I don't feel like that. Haven't been wearing much foundation because I've been putting just sunscreen and powder on my face in the morning. The last item is something scary, and I let my daughter Mila pick this. This is a Tarte eyeliner, and it's dual-ended. You have a gel side, and it doesn't have much, which is really disappointing. I bought this in a trio though, so I did get it on discount. I think it was like $19 for the 3 eyeliners I got, and then it has a felt tip on the other side. I did use this one time. I used the felt tip side, but I'm still going strong with that Maybelline Easy Liner, so I don't know when I'll be able to really start using this, but hopefully by the end of this project I'll at least have the gel side, the little short side, used up. Okay, and that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for coming by, checking out my progress. Hopefully next month I'll have better progress. I have used up quite a bit of things in another project that's coming up soon, so I am hoping that won't I think I'm just gonna try to focus on this a little more because it's not a yearly project, which those yearly projects I tend to like throw to the wayside because I have all year to use those products, but the shorter ones, like this one ends on October 31st. I feel the date coming sooner, so I need to use these products up faster, if that makes any sense. But thank you so much again, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you'd like to see more Project Pan videos. I also do unboxings and hauls. I am trying to cut down on my spending and on products coming into my home. However, you know, things happen. I get a little carried away sometimes when I want something, but thank you again, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.